Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create this very simple all-natural cleaning spray. I love to use this in my bathroom, my kitchen, anywhere that needs disinfecting. It's great if you're trying to avoid chemicals, and it also leaves behind a lovely scent. Let's get started. The essential oils I'm using today are known for their antibacterial, antifungal and antiseptic properties, making them the perfect combination to use in cleaning products. My two all-time favorite essential oils are lemon and peppermint. Not only do they smell great, but they also offer a wide variety of benefits. It's important to remember that essential oils should never be applied directly to the skin, and you should always dilute them with a carrier oil. For this recipe, you'll need a plastic bottle that has a spray head attachment. This bottle is made from 100% recycled plastic. You'll also need distilled water. If you'd like, you can use 50% white vinegar and 50% distilled water, and your essential oils. If you haven't got all these essential oils, you can just use the eucalyptus and tea tree, as they are most commonly used in cleaning products. What you'll need to do is add your essential oils to your bottle. This recipe calls for 20 drops of lemon, 20 drops of tea tree, 20 drops of eucalyptus, and 10 drops of peppermint. I can already start to smell how nice it is. Now to the bottle, you're going to add your distilled water, and you can attach your spray head and give it a little shake. And there we go.
Here's your multi-purpose cleaning spray.
Remember to always test patch first and keep out of reach of pets and children. If you're interested in doing this at home, I've linked the products that I've used below. If you enjoy this content and would like to see more, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.